Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. Today's video is about my opinions about Motorola One Fusion Plus. These are the basic opinions depending upon the specifications and the material used for that mobile. So this is not the final opinion, this is the only initial opinion. Motorola has launched its new mobile Motorola One Fusion Plus on May 17th in India, and its price has been announced as 16,999. So Motorola has entered into the budget category where Realme, Redmi, Samsung and few other mobiles compete each other. This kind of entry into the budget category by Motorola has been done since long while Moto G has been introduced. After that, it has lost its track and moved from that budget category. Now again it is entering into the budget category. We can see whether these specs are good in terms of that price range and can we get it or not. So let's get started. Now we need to know exactly the specifications of this Motorola. But before getting into the specifications, the main attractive thing from the Motorola is the price. They are launching under 17,000, which is 16,999. You can consider as 17,000 for this mobile, and it is offering 730G processor in that 17,000 with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. But most of the companies like Realme, MI, Redmi, they are offering much more less specifications at 17,000 right now because of the increase of the GST prices. So let's get into this Motorola One Fusion Plus. So first we need to check out the screen. So Motorola One Fusion Plus is providing you a Full HD Plus IPS LCD screen which doesn't have any cutout or a notch for the selfie camera, because selfie camera is a motorized part in the Motorola One Fusion. So selfie camera using a mechanism called pop-up camera. So this pop-up camera makes your display completely bezel-less and you can't see any cutouts or notch regarding selfie camera. They are giving you 16 megapixel selfie camera, which is a pop-up selfie camera. These days displays are good if it is IPS LCD or AMOLED display. Let's talk about the build quality of this mobile. This build quality of the mobile is made up of plastic, which looks like a glass material, but it's a plastic. When you hold it, you will know that it is a plastic. So they are giving Snapdragon 730G processor, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage along with plastic body instead of a glass body. And this material has an advantage also, because when your mobile drops up, glass easily breaks but not plastic. That's the build quality of the Motorola One Plus. When you get into the back side of the Motorola One Plus, you can see a quad camera system, which is 64 megapixel is a primary one, 8 megapixel as a wide angle lens, 5 megapixel as a macro lens and 2 megapixel as a depth sensor. Here I thought if they given 5 megapixel as a depth sensor also, it would be much more usable for the portrait shots. So you are getting here 64 megapixel with 8 megapixel as a wide angle lens and 5 megapixel as a macro shots. If you've seen the camera performance from Motorola since Moto G, they produce colors which are very close to natural. You can see the photos in unboxing videos by several creators, and you can see those photos are very natural in terms of colors. So you are getting a 64 megapixel primary sensor which uses pixel binning technology also, so you would be getting a better quality images. So beneath that, if you check out, you have physical fingerprint scanner at the back side. Physical fingerprint scanner is much more entertained by the people or by the tech creators also. So this physical fingerprint scanner comes with a Motorola logo in it also, so that they will be branding their Motorola logo. And the fingerprint scanner is any day welcome into the house. These are the things which are at the back side. And the front side, the Full HD Plus display with the pop-up selfie camera, which is of 16 megapixel. It uses also pixel binning technology. So now you see the ports. You get a Type-C port and headphone jack, and you get a single mono speaker, but you got a Type-C port for charging where you get 18 watts charger. These days you get 27 watts, 30 watts fast charging in the budget category also. but Motorola is giving only 18 watts fast charger in the box right now to charge Motorola One Fusion Plus device. So let's see how much fast it charges, because Motorola One Fusion Plus has 5000 mAh battery, which is very big. 5000 mAh battery at this price category is a really special feature we can consider, because 5000 mAh battery cannot be expired or dead in one day. Top of on this 5000 mAh battery, you get a software which is of pure Android with no extra apps in it, so you'll be getting a clean, smooth experience on it. I don't know about the updates, how regularly the updates will be coming in this device, but you are getting a clean Android software which is not available in budget category right now. So these are the specifications in Motorola One Fusion Plus mobile, and these specs looks pretty good. It comes with mainly 730G processor. 730G processor is a mid-range processor, but it's pretty close enough to the flagship processor like 845 and 855. So the performance from this processor will be definitely good. They optimize with the software of pure Android, and you are getting 128GB storage with 6GB RAM. That is more than enough at that price. So these are my opinions on Motorola One Fusion Plus depending upon the specs. So that's it guys for this video. If you like the video, do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, because much more content coming up. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.